Okay, welcome back. Here we want to modify our fonts. For example, these two here, there's no difference. Edits, 2 millimeters for size, transparent for background, and change the color like this. And also activate the wrap. Now we want to have minuses behind negatives, which is already there, but we don't have plus minuses for 0 and zeros and plus for positives. Okay, now let's go here. Click here and this one here. Add calculated parameter to label. Write symbol for name and choose text for type. And now let's write the formula. If open parentheses here, elevation, if our elevation was equal to 0, comma, inside a semicolon, plus minus alt 0177. Yeah. If you hold alt and type 0177, it'll give you this plus minus symbol. Close it down with a semicolon. If it is difficult for you, you can open the run window like this. Choose character map option. Okay. Now in this window here, you can select plus minus symbol, copy and then paste them. Here it says keyboard. This is a shortcut. Type alt plus 0177. It'll give you the symbol and you can get other shortcuts for some other symbols as well. Okay. Now, comma again. If open parentheses, elevation again. If our elevation was bigger than 0, here just add a plus. And if none of this were the case, just put 2 semicolons. All right, close down our parentheses. Put this up here like this. Don't break it because we want them to be in one protraction. Now, save and load into project. So, even up here, now, let's go back to edit. Edit this one that we made and copy the formula. Control C. Now remove this and put a separate label behind this one. Now click again, symbol, text, okay. Active the wrap. Now we can be sure that it'll always be behind this, but just in case, you can change this symbol to a plus, which of course it should be behind elevation. Now save, load, overwrite. Okay, so plus minus for 0 and 0. Oh, these are still question marks. We should correct them. So the problem is solved. I deleted the one that we have separated. Again, here in the elevation subcategory, I added the symbol and put it up here. I just increase this range a bit more. And now save again and close. And as you can see, all the pluses and minuses are shown correctly. This method could be quite beneficial for us. All right, now we want to create our structural levels. The ones we have here now are architecturals. Okay, first, let me change the names here. Press UN. Active this suppress trailing so that it doesn't accept any extra zeros. For this part, 5500, let's name it SB2. Okay, we're gonna put this in the structure category later. Next one, we're gonna call it, for example, AB1. Next one here, 4450, SB1. Next one here, 3950, AB1, or architecture bottom. Oh, and this one, B1 here, is not correct. It should be B2 because it is minus, so B2, and this becomes B1, like this. Here we have our 0, AG, or ground floor. This one here, it should be 3260. Click on it because there are two symbols. We should put 3260 here as well. This is our footpace or stair landing. Our ground floor is a bit high. Take a look. 6.05 meters to the ceiling. So let's call it, for example, stair landing. Okay, moving on. For the rest, A1, A2, I'll complete them and then we can continue afterwards. Okay, and this is the last one, A13. Alright, now we should have a structural levels too. Why? Because we have both hardened and joinery walls. Our hardened wall starts from the slab itself, and the joinery starts from the architectural floor. Now, to manage them more easily, we make two separate levels with 10 cm disparity to solve the problem. So now here, let me close this, okay? First level, edit, get a duplicate. Let's call it STR level. Okay. Then use a triangle symbol. Now here, oh no, let me see. Okay. Now select our peak line. Yeah, select our peak line and set it on 100 millimeters. And here, except for those places that we set our stair landing from 0, 10 cm below, not here. We take 10 cm below for all of them, and these are our structure level. Yeah, and we patiently continue doing this until the roof, and this is our ridge. Okay, so now let's go back to architecture session, and some extra levels have been added here. We did the naming till 13. Let me check. 26, 25, all the way to 13. Yeah. So then 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. What these are structures, so we delete them in architecture. But they should be in structure, in addition to those we made before. Let me find them. Oh, here we go. We put their discipline on structural to get them here. Okay. Well, apparently they went to coordinations. Select them. And you know what? Let's do something else. Let's delete these and remember the name. Now in view, structural plan view, choose them, and in here you can add them to your structure just like this. All right, there we go.